The holidays are all about spending time with your loved ones and imbibing in the commercialism and excess of tacky sweaters. But why stop at tacky sweaters? Why not become the Christmas tree? Why not become Christmas? Allow me to show you in simple steps. First, you're going to need a subpar sweater or a previous sweater that's just not nearly tacky enough. Second most important ingredient to this non-edible sweater is garland. Lots and lots of garland. Also some ornaments and a tree topper. Also LED string lights that are somewhere. I'm moving studios right now, so I'll find them later. Ideally, the sweater already has a hood built in. Otherwise, you can just sew one up with fabric. I'm going to start with the hood first because that's the cutest part, and what's cutest is most important. It's just a fact. Everybody knows this. Get you some thread, a needle, and some scissors, and start sewing. Important step for when you're trying to get the hood to come to a point. You can use something like poster board, cardboard, or a party hat. I'm going to use the cardboard that actually came with the garland. It's kind of like a party hat. Birthday party for the trash queen. It looks so sad. Hey buddy, what's wrong? Oh god, it's got no face. I would die so fast in a horror movie, trying to console the killer Christmas tree boy. Sleeves are next. These are quite long. It'll be fashionable. See? Fashionable. There, killer tree boy. We'll make you human again. Killer tree boy, no! Oh my god, that's itchy. Don't date killer tree boy, he's itchy. Once the arms are done, there's two options. You can either cut open the back of the sweater and lace it up, or just don't do the back at all. Because once you put garland on it, it's not going to stretch anymore. I ran out of garland. It's fine, this is fine. I'll use what I have and just go get some more later. And until then, I'll skip to decorating. Try to place them where they don't look like nipples. If the star just flops around, it means you aren't excited enough for Christmas yet and you should be ashamed. Okay, I can't find the lights, but I found a bow. Now all it needs is more garland. So there you have it. Very simple guide to making a tacky Christmas tree sweater. Happy holidays. Big thanks to my patrons for supporting me doing whatever this is. My goal is to make more videos more often, so please consider subscribing if you've not already, or taking a look at my Patreon to see different tiers. You can get postcards, your names, hopefully that are going right here. You know, just little things. Well, thanks, bye-bye.